lovely Charisse here has just been relaxing this whole segment, taking a little load off, a little rest. How you doing?
Good, thank you.
So, doctor, what are we going to talk about now?
Well, we're talking about now is the eMatrix, and the big question is what is the eMatrix? Well, that is
Sounds
the
like
latest...
Keanu Reeves is going to be performing it for us.
That is the latest in skin tightening procedures. And now to appreciate really what it does, we need to kind of look at how lasers are used to tighten up skin. So the old style lasers are used to tighten up skin by creating heat into the deeper layers of the skin. By doing that, it caused the collagen to tighten up, creating tighter skin. The problem with the old lasers is they were ablative, meaning that you would literally have to burn the skin from the top layer all the way down to the deep layer to get the heat there to create the tightness. And it would create people who would be wrapped up like mummies. They would feel like they were a burn patient for weeks and redness. I mean, it's difficult. Now this, the eMatrix, utilizes subablative rejuvenation. So instead of actually utilizing a laser, it uses bipolar radio frequency, which basically causes heat into the deeper layers of the skin like we want, but protects the upper layer of it.
And what is it that you're looking for out of this procedure? Because I don't see a wrinkle on your face. You're a beautiful woman.
Thank you. Now, I'm concerned about laugh lines because I love to laugh, but I noticed that when I stop laughing, I still have the lines right around my mouth.
So you're concerned about right here, right
here?
So what I'm going to do is use a machine here, and it's very simple. The nice thing about it is it's just a tabletop machine, and it doesn't look all that scary or anything.
Now, I know when you get a traditional laser treatment, they say it doesn't really kick into your skin for months. Is that true?
Yes. Now, this is something I'll show you. When we treat her, you're going to see that there's no redness, no downtime. She's going to have hardly any pain, if at all. But the results actually do kind of gradually improve over several months as that collagen continues to tighten.
And how long would the result last? If it takes several months to kick in, how often would you get this done?
Well, it definitely is recommended about 3 times every 4 to 6 weeks. That's what the company Zerona does recommend. Now, this is a brand new treatment, so it hasn't been around for 5 years, so we can't tell you, oh, well, it's going to last that 5 years.
But theoretically, once you get the 3 treatments, then
we'd be looking at several years, definitely.
Wow, yeah. Several years.
Yeah, that's what we would be looking at for it.
Heck. And what does it cost?
The treatments cost anywhere from $750 to even up to $1,500 in expensive markets, maybe like New York and LA.
So get it done in the country, kids.
Exactly.
Go out to the suburbs. Okay,
so we're going to go ahead and do a treatment.
You want to hold me in case it hurts till you find out?
Okay.
All right.
So just relax.
He said it won't. Don't worry.
That's one.
How was that?
I don't feel a thing.
Well, heck, I'll take my hand back. I'm just kidding.
All right, we're just going to do the other side here.
And how long should she get a treatment for? Is it just this quick, or do you go over it several times?
You can technically do the entire face, and that's what we usually recommend.
But if she went in just for her laugh lines, is that done?
Yep, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
So you do that 3 times, and you're good 3 years?
Yeah. I mean, that's what we're looking at. Now,
and you literally didn't feel a thing?
It only feels like somebody is touching you with their fingernail. That's it.
Just a little, like that, like a little tickle.
That's all it feels.
Now, another benefit, as you can see,
you could leave that for
as you can see,
while.
Charisse obviously has darker skin, and one of the negatives about laser treatments is that you can't really use them in people with darker skin like Charisse and even like myself. And so the good thing about the eMatrix is that it's colorblind. You can use it on people who have very light colored skin to people who have really dark skin.
Because it's not doing anything to the upper layers.
Well, it's not a laser, it's radio frequency, and lasers target color. That's how they work. They basically burn whatever has that certain color. With the radio frequency, it's not based off that wavelength.
So do you have a before and after picture of the results that this contraption offers us?
Yeah, so let's take a peek. Now, these are some before and after pictures of somebody who had it done.
Around the eyes.
Exactly, so you can see the wrinkles are better, the skin is tighter, the texture is better, and it can even be used in people who have acne scarring. You do 3 treatments, and we can get some nice improvements.
So it's safe even around the eyes?
Yep, definitely.
Fabulous.
Thank you, Sheree.
Let us know how the next 2 come out. You keep relaxed and take a load of it. Now, are we ever going to get to it? I hope this is it. This is the lose the 8 pounds thing?
Yes. Now, this is the Zerona laser, and this achieves what we consider to be the holy grail of plastic surgery.
Zerona.
Zerona. Z-E-R. And this achieves fat loss, inch loss, without any invasiveness, without any surgery, without any needles, without any numbing meds, without any downtime. Okay? And really, this is the only non-invasive laser that can actually reduce inches.
Really? You've used this yourself. You really believe it works.
Now, you look at this and you say, well, what the heck is this thing? I mean, it looks like the tentacles of Dr. Octopus combined with something.
It does look like Dr. Octopus.
Yeah, something from the movie Aliens or something. But this is actually a very impressive machine. I'm going to turn it on here.
Wow.
You want to put
There's like disco lights on the floor.
You want to put your hand underneath it? No, stop. Oh, just kidding. That's fine. You can put your hand there. It's fine.
Funny guy.
So what this utilizes is 5...
Well, if we're going to stick something in there that I want smaller. That's not mine, by the way. Whose body is that? Is that yours?
That's
you look cute in there. So this is Christine, yes?
Yes.
So what exactly is going on with this machine?
Well, this machine utilizes 5 low-light lasers, and the lasers have actually been studied and found histologically to cause the fat cells in the body to release their fatty contents. And what they do is they release it actually into the space between the cells. And if you stack these treatments every other day for approximately 2 weeks, people can lose, by these studies, about 3 to 4 inches on average after 2 weeks, and some people have even lost up to 8 to 9 inches. There's no pain, no downtime, no recovery, no needles, no surgery, no nothing.
Well, there is some downtime if you have to go every other day for 2 weeks. How long do you have to be in there?
It's 40 minutes, so you spend 20 minutes on your back, 20 minutes on your tummy, and you can literally read a magazine while it's going on. I mean, you don't feel anything with the treatment.
Every other day for 2 weeks. How much would that cost?
They cost anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. In my practice, we actually are charging $1,800, and for people who don't lose at least 3 inches, we give them $1,000 as a credit towards lipo or something else they may be interested in.
And then how long are those results roughly lasting?
That's what we're still trying to see, because this, like all these other things, it's brand new, and this type of indication we're just coming out with.
So Christine had it. Christine, that was very brave of you, first of all, to lie down in your bikini under this for us. Did it hurt, first of all?
No, it was very relaxing. In fact, it was a great time to catch my phone calls and close my eyes and chill out, actually. It was a really nice break in my day.
So it was really kind of zen for you?
Yes.
So no pain, and you went for 2 weeks, did you?
Yes.
Did you feel the results immediately? Did it take the full 2 weeks? What were the results for you?
I think I felt it pretty much immediately. I could feel a change. But after the 2 weeks, definitely, I could definitely feel a smoothness about my skin. I've had people comment, and then that muffin top isn't quite as big as it used to be, so that's really nice.
Now, we actually do have some, you saw me actually performing the treatment on Chris back in my office in Michigan, but we do actually have some before and after photos of her, so if you want to take a peek. So this is her from the front.
That's really a big difference.
And let's switch her to the side, and that's where you can really see. Now, Chris lost a total of 5.5 inches when you measure total from the waist, from the hips, and from the thighs. And we estimated with her that that would probably equal about 2 liters of fat. Now, this is about 2 liters of fat. Do you want to hold this?
No.
Well, I'll put it down then. This is about 2 liters of fat or so. And that's what we estimate that the Zerona took off her with 2 weeks of painless treatments.
That is absolutely amazing. Do you feel even better about it when you see those pictures?
Yeah, this is the first time I've seen this, actually. But definitely I can feel a lot better. It's great.
Sounds pretty good to me.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
I gotta say, you gave us a lot to think